Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Here we go. Autonomous time. Look at all these robots firing their notes. Particularly 6421 on the red alliance with 3 attempts. They're picking up these notes off the floor and firing them into their speaker. Hilltopper similarly on blue, attempting the same. We've got lots of notes in each of these teams' wings. If a robot, watch them closely, is able to pick them up off the ground, they're going to benefit hugely as they're able to quickly pass them from the floor into their speaker for points. And looks like that's exactly what 4181 Quack Attack is doing for the Blue Alliance, just cycling from the floor to the speaker. 2 blue robots have rushed over to their source. They're picking up notes and flying back. It's a very close match. We're currently even as we start this out. Let's see if either team can take a lead. 4174 Mustang Robotics firing into their speaker. You'll notice that there's a lot of traffic around those stage points. They create a pair of choke points as the robots fly in opposing directions, attempting to cross the field. That's yet another score there for Hilltopper Robotics and Quack Attack. Cycle, cycle, cycle. Remember, they need 18 notes scored to achieve the Melody ranking point. As we saw last match, if these teams cooperate and pick up their cooperation bonus, that requirement drops down to 15 notes scored in the speaker or amp. Still an even match. We've got 40 seconds left. Looks like Hilltopper is currently trying to get rid of a pair of notes that have fallen to their robot. Each robot is allowed to carry 1 note at a time. And there we go. Hilltopper is able to clear off that note from themselves. That means they can go back to cycling and scoring. We're getting close to the final 20 seconds. Here comes our guitar riff. Time to see these robots get on stage. They're going to try to climb off the ground onto these chains. The human players are now throwing the high notes. They're attempting to get a spotlight on the robot by scoring onto the small pegs, the microphones. Over on blue, 4181, and one of their alliance partners, Hilltoppers, able to get on stage. That's going to be some extra points for them. 1 red robot in the hot race car. It's a tie. 34 points even. For ranking point purposes, all the